Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
A spacious, modern interior living room with large glass walls offering a seamless connection to a lush outdoor garden. The space features a comfortable, low-profile sectional sofa arranged with plush cushions in warm earthy tones and a soft area rug underfoot. A round poof sits nearby, complementing the organic shapes of the furniture. The room is illuminated by soft, ambient lighting integrated into the ceiling, casting a warm glow over the wooden floor. The decor showcases an array of vibrant green tropical plants and colorful flowers visible through the expansive windows. A serene indoor-outdoor setting featuring a lush, tropical landscape. In the foreground, a tranquil pond teeming with vibrant koi fish, reflecting soft shades of orange and gold. A cascading waterfall flows gently over a rocky outcrop, creating a soothing sound and mist. Surrounding the water, diverse green foliage such as ferns and broad-leaved plants enhances the sense of natural beauty. A modern, glass-walled room with warm wooden accents opens up to this idyllic scene, with comfortable seating arranged invitingly on a wooden deck. Luxurious indoor pool area surrounded by lush tropical plants, showcasing a harmonious blend of modern architecture and nature. The space features large glass walls that allow abundant natural light to pour in, creating a serene atmosphere. Elegant wooden lounge chairs are arranged beside a clear, tranquil pool that reflects the greenery. The aesthetic leans towards hyperrealistic, emphasizing the textures of the stone tiles and the rich greens of the foliage. Warm earthy tones and soft lighting enhance the inviting ambience, highlighting a cozy seating area with tasteful decor in the background. A serene indoor garden pathway, blending natural elements with modern design. The setting features vibrant tropical foliage, including large green plants and colorful flowers, arranged along the stone pathway. Warm orange walls contrast with the rich greenery, creating a harmonious atmosphere. The scene is illuminated by soft, natural light filtering through large windows, enhancing the lush textures of leaves and petals. Decorative elements include smooth stones and a circular wall piece, offering a touch of artistry. Lush indoor garden room filled with vibrant greenery and large windows, allowing abundant natural light to stream in, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The space features a plush, light-colored sectional sofa adorned with textured cushions and earthy tones, complemented by a warm, organic rug on a rustic stone floor. Tropical plants, including tall palms and leafy foliage, are strategically placed around the room, enhancing the natural aesthetic. The walls are a mix of natural stone and modern elements, while wooden beams and accents add warmth. A serene indoor oasis featuring a luxurious spa area surrounded by vibrant greenery. The scene is imbued with a hyperrealistic aesthetic, highlighting the interplay of natural light and textures. Soft, earthy tones dominate the space, with warm accents of orange from plush seating and a modern fireplace adorned with a stylized bird mural. Large glass windows invite a view of lush tropical plants, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. The pool area, with its calm water reflecting the surrounding elements, is equipped with comfortable, oversized cushions positioned artfully, enhancing the relaxed atmosphere. Lush indoor garden scene showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and modern design, hyperrealistic style. The setting features glass walls that invite natural light, revealing abundant greenery with tropical plants and ornamental flowers. A small pond adorned with koi fish reflects the surrounding foliage. Smooth stones create a pathway through the garden, contrasting with the soft textures of grass and gravel. A cozy seating area with modern furniture sits under a shaded overhang, illuminated by warm ambient lighting. A serene indoor-outdoor space featuring a modern, open-concept design, seamlessly blending a luxurious living area with a tranquil garden. The setting showcases lush tropical plants with varying shades of green, intertwining ferns, and vibrant orange koi swimming in a clear pond. A captivating waterfall cascades over smooth stones, creating a soothing soundscape amidst the verdant foliage. The atmosphere is misty and evocative, illuminated by soft morning light filtering through the dense canopy. Textures of natural wood, stone, and glass harmonize to create a hyper-realistic environment that feels both peaceful and visually stunning. Luxurious indoor spa scene with a tranquil swimming pool, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant tropical plants. The room features minimalist architectural elements, showcasing a combination of concrete walls and wood accents. A natural stone waterfall cascades into the pool, creating a serene atmosphere. Soft, ambient lighting enhances the calm vibe, with warm tones reflecting off the water. The pool is framed by sleek lounge chairs with plush cushions, inviting relaxation. Rich, clear blue water and colorful flowers add a touch of vibrancy to the overall peaceful aesthetic. Modern interior scene showcasing a serene living space with large glass walls that seamlessly connect the indoors and outdoors. The room is bathed in warm natural light, highlighting the textured orange accent wall adorned with vibrant artwork. Lush greenery spills in from the outside, filling the space with various tropical plants and colorful flowers. A low wooden coffee table sits at the center, complemented by a plush, patterned area rug in rich reds and oranges, creating a cozy atmosphere. Relaxed seating areas are formed by wide, inviting cushions, enhancing the tranquil vibe. Cozy interior space with a warm, inviting atmosphere, featuring a wide glass wall that opens to a lush tropical garden. The scene is illuminated by soft, golden sunlight filtering through the foliage, casting gentle shadows across the wooden floor. The room is adorned with various vibrant green plants, creating a serene feeling of nature indoors. A large area rug in neutral tones lies in the center, complemented by a comfortable wooden sofa with plush cushions. In the corner, there is a modern flat-screen TV and a small, stylish poof. The walls are a light gray with subtle texturing, and there are framed botanical prints adding an artistic touch.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.